Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Robert, aka The Tall Man, and I'm here to give you the latest and greatest in travel tips, ship reviews, destinations, and safety advice. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for all of us cruisers out there. It's the 8 most dangerous cruise ports sailing from America. We'll be using the U.S. State Department's travel advisory levels to guide us so you can make informed decisions and stay safe while exploring these beautiful but sometimes risky destinations. Number 1 on the list, Haiti. Haiti, with its rich history and culture, is a country that many cruisers are curious about. However, it's currently also one of the most dangerous cruise ports on our list. The U.S. State Department has Haiti at a level 4. Do not travel due to crime, civil unrest, and kidnapping. Here are the main concerns: crime and unrest. Violent crime, including armed robbery, carjacking, and kidnapping, is common. Political instability and civil unrest further exacerbate the situation. Now the infrastructure. The country's infrastructure is fragile, making it difficult to receive assistance in emergencies. For the local advice, if you must travel to Haiti, stay in secure accommodations, avoid demonstrations and large gatherings, and always be aware of your surroundings. It's highly recommended to reconsider travel to Haiti unless absolutely necessary. Number 2, Mexico. Mexico offers diverse experiences from the bustling streets of Cancun to the serene beaches of Cozumel. The safety situation, however, varies greatly depending on the region. The U.S. State Department's advisory levels range from a level 2 to a level 4. At the time of this video release, it has been stated to exercise increased caution to level 4. Do not travel depending on the specific area. For us cruisers, Cozumel has had an elevated level of crime associated with gang and cartel activity. The main concerns: cartel violence. Areas near the U.S. border in certain states like Guerrero and Michoacan face significant cartel-related violence. Tourist destinations. Popular tourist destinations like Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum are generally safer but not immune to crime. There have been reports of shootings, kidnappings, and other violent incidences in these areas as well. Your local advice: research the specific destination in Mexico carefully. Stay within tourist areas and avoid isolated locations, as well as do not travel alone at night. If wanting to explore, please take excursions offered by the cruise line only. Number 3, Jamaica. Jamaica is synonymous with reggae music, beautiful beaches, lush landscapes, not to mention the ganja. It's a favorite port of call for many cruisers, but it comes with significant safety concerns. The U.S. State Department rates Jamaica right now at a level 3. Reconsider travel due to crime. Main concerns: violent crime. Areas such as Kingston, Montego Bay, and Spanish Town are hotspots for violent crime, including armed robbery, homicide, and sexual assault. Tourist areas. While resorts in tourist areas are generally safer, incidents of crime still occur. It is essential to remain vigilant even in seemingly safe environments. If you are not there on a cruise but stay in an all-inclusive resort, please stay vigilant and do not let your guard down. Your local advice: avoid traveling to known high-risk areas. Do not venture out alone at night, and always use official taxis or transportation arranged by your hotel or cruise line. These warnings are not just for us cruisers, but also those who stay in all-inclusive resorts as well. Number 4 on our list, Colombia. Colombia has become a more popular travel destination in recent years, thanks to its beautiful landscapes and rich culture and improved security situation. However, certain risks do remain. The U.S. State Department has Colombia currently at a level 3. Reconsider travel due to crime and terrorism. The main concerns: crime. Urban areas like Bogota, Medellin, and Cartagena have higher crime rates, including petty theft, armed robbery, and kidnapping. Terrorism. Terrorist groups are active in some rural areas, posing risks to travelers venturing outside major cities. So please be aware of your surroundings and don't let your guard down just because you are not in a big city. Local advice: stick to well-known tourist areas, avoid isolated regions, and exercise increased caution, especially at night. Consider organized tours for additional safety. Number 5, Honduras. Honduras is home to stunning natural beauty, from lush jungles to pristine beaches. However, it also has significant safety challenges, with the U.S. State Department advising right now a level 3. Reconsider travel due to crime. The main concerns: violent crime. The country experiences high levels of violent crime, including homicide, robbery, and sexual assault. Areas like San Pedro Sula and Tegucigalpa are particularly dangerous. Gang activity. Gang violence is a significant problem affecting both locals and tourists. Please keep your head on a swivel and be aware. Your local advice: avoid high crime areas and do not travel alone after dark, and remain vigilant in tourist areas. Use reputable transportation and stay informed about the ever-changing local security conditions. Now, we are about halfway through our list. Do us a huge favor. If you have found this video to be educational in any way, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, we invite you to subscribe to the channel as well. It is free to you, and Lisa and I truly appreciate it. Now back to the regularly scheduled programming. Number 6, Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago is a twin island nation famous for its carnival, music, and vibrant culture. Despite its beauty, the U.S. State Department advises Level 3, reconsider due to crime. The current main concerns: violent crime. Crime is prevalent, including armed robbery, assault, and sexual violence. Port of Spain, the capital, sees a significant amount of this activity. Terrorism. There is a risk of terrorism, particularly during significant events like Carnival, so stay vigilant and don't let your guard down. Your local advice: stay in well-populated areas, avoid venturing out alone after dark, and be cautious during large events, especially Carnival. Use reputable transportation services and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Number 7, Nassau, Bahamas. The Bahamas, especially Nassau, is a favorite destination for many cruisers due to its close proximity and beautiful beaches. However, it comes with its own set of risks. The U.S. State Department at the time of this video release rates the Bahamas at a Level 2. Exercise increased caution. But please know that this level has just recently been downgraded from a Level 3 to a Level 2, so we would recommend use a little extra caution. Main concerns: crime. Nassau experiences high level of crime, including armed robbery, sexual assault, and burglary. Tourist areas are not immune to these issues. Your local advice: stay in well-known tourist areas, avoid displaying valuables, and be cautious when exploring unfamiliar areas. Use reliable transportation and avoid walking alone, especially at night. Number 8, Belize. Belize is a stunning Caribbean destination known for its vibrant marine life, beautiful beaches, and a rich cultural heritage. It's also the world's second largest coral reef. However, like many beautiful places, it has its share of risk. The U.S. State Department currently has Belize listed at a Level 2, exercise increased caution. However, it seems to go between a Level 3 and a Level 2 advisory often, which is why it's on our list. This means travelers should be aware of heightened risk to safety and security. Now, the main concerns: crime. Petty crime such as pickpocketing and bag snatching is common, especially in tourist areas like Belize City. Violent crime, including armed robbery, sexual assault, and murder, has also been reported. Your local advice: stick to well-populated areas, avoid displaying expensive items, and be cautious when exploring at night. We always recommend using cruise line excursions. Now, here are some basic safety tips to follow. While the above destinations come with significant risk, it's possible to enjoy your cruise and stay safe by following these general safety tips. Number 1, research. Before you travel, research the destination thoroughly. Stay updated with the U.S. State Department's travel advisories and local news. Number 2, stay in groups. There is safety in numbers. Whenever possible, travel with a group, especially when venturing out in the evenings or in unfamiliar areas. Number 3, use reputable services. Stick to reputable transportation and tour services. In these locations, we always recommend excursions booked directly with your cruise line, or if you are staying local, use the hotel recommended services. Number 4, keep valuables secure. Avoid displaying expensive items like jewelry, cameras, and smartphones. Use a money belt or hidden pouch for your valuables. Number 5, be aware of your surroundings. Always stay alert to your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar areas. We know you are on vacation, but do not leave your common sense and instincts at home or on the ship. If something feels off, trust your instincts and leave the area immediately, but calmly. Number 6, avoid risky areas. Heed local advice and avoid areas known for high crime. Stick to well-populated and well-lit places, especially after dark. Number 7, emergency contacts. Keep a list of emergency contacts, including local authorities, your cruise line, and your embassy or consulate. Most of these numbers are in your cruise line app or on the daily schedule left in your cabin every day. So make sure you take a copy of that with you when you leave the ship. Number 8, travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and other unforeseen events. Now, we hope you found this information helpful and that it prepares you for a safe and enjoyable cruise. Remember, being informed and cautious can make all the difference in having a great travel experience. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel advice and updates. And until we see you again on the next ship or in the next video, be safe.